It's the beginning of March, so I'm here today with my market update, and I'm going to talk about sales and under contract since February 1st. From Almont to Mount Crested Butte, we have seen 15 properties go under contract for a total of $22 million in sales volume, and we have had 20 properties in the Gunnison area go under contract for a total of $13 million. 14 properties closed from Almont to Mount Crested Butte for a total of $14.5 million in sales volume. And in Gunnison, we had 15 properties closed for a total of $6.6 million. The good news is we are seeing some new listings come on the market. In fact, from Almont to Mount Crested Butte, there have been 34 new listings, and already 3 of them are under contract. And in Gunnison, there have been 23 new listings, and 6 of those are already under contract. However, our inventory levels are still historically low. So why aren't more people selling? And I have a few reasons for that. Obviously, a lot of people purchased at lower interest rates and they don't want to sell to buy something new at a higher interest rate. Also, the majority of people around here bought their houses in the last 3 years and they're still not ready to sell. They're enjoying these properties. And lastly, in Crested Butte, we have 242 inches so far this year of snow, and it's really hard to move in the winter. So I think a lot of people are holding off for May and June, which is very typical in our market. So why aren't people buying more property? Well, people are buying property. We are seeing transactions still occurring, even though it feels like they aren't, because it's just so dramatic from the peak of 2021 to today. Sales are down significantly, but people are still buying property, especially in the $250,000 to $1.2 million properties. Those are selling usually with multiple offers. I think a lot of people forgot what real estate was like before 2020. And what we're seeing now is very typical from what I've seen my entire career from 2007 to 2019. Granted, the interest rates are higher, but there is still the typical days on market, which is about an average of 300. And that was what we saw before 2020. There's a saying in the real estate industry, if the home isn't selling, the price isn't compelling. And that is more true today than it ever has been. But it also begs the question, at what price is compelling for buyers right now? And I think we won't know that until you start making offers on properties. So that begs the question, what price is compelling for you as a buyer? Are you holding out for prices to completely drop? Because they're not going to. I think what the opportunity is right now is to start making offers on properties that you think you're interested in at what you think the value is. So that's what I'm here for, is to help you determine what to offer on a home. Now, sellers, don't be offended by lower offers. It is just business and it is the start of a conversation. And to be quite honest, you should be really grateful that you have an offer on your property, considering the fact that we have only seen 25 properties sell since the beginning of 2023 in the Crested Butte area. I heard this the other day. Don't be mad at the people that make lower offers. Be mad at the people that looked at your home and didn't make an offer. As I said before, the first quarter is traditionally the slowest quarter in our market. So be prepared for some higher numbers and higher sales and more properties hitting the market in the second quarter.